Okay, so this is elbow, bony.
Elbow, bony landmarks. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, again, there's a couple key points that you can obviously see that really can help with the elbow, and if you can locate those, you're really good. And that's going to be your medial and lateral epicondyles right here on the humerus, right? So medial is a little bit more prominent than lateral, so if you want to come over here, you can see medial right there, okay? Lateral right here, okay? And then, of course, the big one, this is the fail. You don't get olecranon, you got a problem. Okay, so that's it. And the good news about them is if you take your fingers and you put them on each one and then you bend it, they actually make a complete line. So you should never really mess that one up at all, okay? Because they go right into line when they do that. Okay, so medial, lateral, and olecranon. Okay, those three. Okay, on that. From here, okay, couple things that we want to look at is one. We want to make sure we get the olecranon fossa. Now you got to remember the olecranon, it's kind of like a hook, okay? And so if it's sitting here, it's going to have to come back into this hole. So the olecranon fossa is right here, just superior to the olecranon, because that hook's going to kind of come in and latch in place, okay? So that's the olecranon fossa, okay? If we come back to the olecranon and we just palpate straight down, okay, we're on the ulnar border, okay? And that comes all the way down to the ulnar styloid process, which is right there, okay? So just straight on back up and straight on that. That's the whole length of the ulna. So that's that ulnar border right there. Okay? So that's a good, easy one right there to do. And then the only other bony landmark that we have, which is good, is the radial head. So here's my lateral epicondyle. I come just straight distal to that lateral epicondyle, okay? And now I'm on the radial head. You can see there's a little gap between the two of them right here, okay? Which is a ligament that's going to be there, but this is the radial head. If you want to feel the radial head move, okay, you can just kind of have them pronate, supinate their wrist, and it rolls with them, okay? On that one. Does that make sense? Did everybody see that? Okay. So that's that radial head where my thumb is, or my finger is right here. Let me see if it rolls a little bit. Yeah, you can see it kind of roll as she's moving it right here. If I do that. It really rolls. Okay, see that?
Yep.
Okay. All right. That's bony landmarks right there. So not much when we're talking about